As the founder of USA Testmasters, I have experienced an extraordinary journey of growth and expansion, thanks in large to all the services provided by LearnQ.ai. When there was a need to digitalize our services, LearnQ.ai emerged not as a solution provider, but also as a true partner in our vision. Their standout feature was just the unparalleled dedication and expertise to our team, especially Piyush, who's always been available and eager to assist. Piyush was more than a tech expert. He was a mentor who would guide me through all these new problems that arose during the digitalization. The commitment of LearnQ.ai to excellence and accessibility was evident in their round-the-clock support. This transformation has been a pivotal to my success, and my student base has expanded significantly. The feedback from the parents, the students has been beyond, it's been overwhelmingly positive. And I'm deeply grateful to LearnQ.ai for their exceptional service, for playing a crucial role in our on-login journey. Their dedication to build not just a digital platform, but also nurturing dreams is truly commendable. I am wholeheartedly recommend LearnQ.ai to anyone seeking to take their educational services to the next level. Thanks to their support, USA Testmasters is praised for continued growth and success. And thank you, Piyush, once again.